Hello, dear students. Today, let us start a very interesting and magical chapter, Should Wizard Hit Mommy, written by John Updike. Please listen to the explanation very carefully as it is a very interesting chapter. Now, let us know something about the author of this chapter. John Updike was an American novelist, poet, short story writer, art and literary critic. He won the Pulitzer Prize for fiction twice. His fiction is distinguished by its attention to the concerns, passions, and sufferings of the Americans. Let us go through the chapter sketch. Should Wizard Hit Mommy is a children's story dealing with the serious theme of good parenting and the adult tendency to curb the curious and questioning mind of a child. The story raises a moral issue whether parents should decide what the children should do or let the children do what they like to do. It also deals with child innocence represented by Joe and the adult perspective represented by Jack. Jack, the father of 4-year-old Joanne, tries to teach her moral values through his stories. Joe, being very young, fails to realize the true worth of originality. Jack tries hard to convince her not to change one's identity or personality just to get accepted by the society. Now, let us know about the main characters in this chapter. The first one is Jack. He is a loving and concerned father who tells the stories to his daughter every day. Next character is Joanne, also known as Jo. She is Jack's 4-year-old intelligent, impatient, and inquisitive daughter. The next character is Roger Skunk. Skunk is a foul-smelling animal who went to Wizard to give him a pleasant smell. The next character is Mommy. She is Roger's mother who insists Roger to get his originality back by forcing him to follow the traditions. Let us go through the explanation now to find out the story of Roger and to know Joanne's point of view. Jack, Joanne's father, told her a story every evening and on Saturday afternoon naps. All this storytelling pattern started when Jo was 2 and still continued when now she was 4. There were no special creative ideas for storytelling. Moreover, over the years, Jack started to run out of the ideas. Each story told by him was a slight change in the basic plot concerning an animal named Roger. Like with the name Roger, every time a new animal was introduced. For example, Roger Fish, Roger Squirrel, Roger Chipmunk. So this animal Roger always had some or the other problem. So he went to Wise Owl to take help. And in return, the owl would advise him to go to the wizard. Then Roger would tell this problem to the wizard, who would solve the problem and asked for a fee. That was some pennies. And it was always that the amount was a bit more than Roger usually had. But the wizard also helped him in going to a certain place and where he could find and get that money. Roger found the money, paid it to the wizard, went back home and had a dinner with his family when his father returned. Jack had run out of his ideas for the storytelling and so he was getting tired of his daily routine. There was one more thing, that Joe didn't sleep while listening to the story. So Jack thought it to be a waste of time. Bobby, her younger brother of 2 years, would sleep timely. So this time it was again Saturday evening and time for Joe's usual naps. Jack asked Joe about the new lead in the story. Joe thought for a while and wanted it to be a story of a skunk. Now see, skunk is a cat-sized American mammal with black and white striped fur. It emits foul-smelling liquid. Jack then thought that she must have heard about the animal in nursery school. So he got enthusiastic as he had a new hero for the story. So explanation of part first is completed. If you have any doubt related to the explanation, please clear it without any hesitation. Thank you.